अब ये क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, ये कह रहा है कि पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर इज फीड विद द टू मीडियम with constant of this conductivity and permeability sigma 1 and I rho 1 and sigma 2 and rho 2. Calculate the resistance of the system. Calculate the resistance of the system. We find this the potential in two dielectric medium in V and electric field and E. Separation by D. तो V is equal to minus K E into dl. This is the value of thickness T1 and T2. The value of E1 into T1 plus E2 into T2. But is the thickness in dielectric medium are changed, but electric field is changed. So this is the value of current density J is equal to sigma 1 into E1 is equal to sigma 2 into E2. J is equal to sigma 1 E1 is equal to sigma E2. This is the value of sigma V upon this is the value of electric field in E1 and E2, which is the combination of the two equations in first and second, is the value of E1 is equal to sigma 1 V upon is the value of E1 and sigma 2 into T1 or sigma 1 into T2. Sigma 2 T1 plus sigma T2 and another by electric field E2 sigma 2 V upon is the value of sigma 2 T1 plus sigma 1 in T2. So we can the denominator are electric field are always equal. So total electric field is E dl is equal to value of sigma 2V plus sigma 1V upon sigma 2 T1 plus sigma 1 in T2. We can define this the value of total electric field V is equal to E into dl is equal to value of E1 sigma V upon sigma 2 into T plus sigma 1 T2 into T1 plus E2 sigma 2V T2 upon sigma 2 T1 plus sigma 1 T2. This is the value of V upon E is equal to, this is the value of V is equal to minus K E into dl is the V constant sigma 1 T1. This is the value of sigma 1 and T1 is the corrections of the value in sigma 2 is the value of sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 1. So we define of the sigma 2 T1 upon plus sigma 1 T2 upon sigma 2 T1 plus sigma 1 T2. This is the value of eliminate. Is the value of eliminate. We define is the V. So V is equal to minus K E into dl. Indicate is the E is value of Ohm's law. is the define of the J into E1 and J into E2. So R is equal to V upon JA. This is the value of V is V upon sigma 1 E1A or V upon sigma E2 into A. This is the value of 1 and E2. Total additive the value of R is equal to V. R is equal to V sigma 2 T1 sigma 1 T2 upon sigma 1 and sigma 2 into A. One will be recognize the configuration of the resistance R. So R will be defined of this R is equal to V sigma 2 T1 plus sigma 1 T2 upon sigma 1 sigma 2 into A. Thank you very much.